August 23rd is the International Day for the remembrance of slave trade and its abolition. This day was designated by the UNESCO to memorize the transatlantic slave trade. The transatlantic slave trade includes the transportation of enslaved African people by the slave traders mainly to the Americas. This slave trade existed from the 16th century to the 19th century. During these 400 years, about 13 million people, Africans, shipped across the Atlantic Ocean to be slaves. Each of this transportation or shipping had high death rate. About 2.4 million people die in this transportation. This day is celebrated to inscribe the tragedy of slave trade or slave trading in the memory of all people across the globe. Also, there is some significance in observing this day on August 23rd. It was in 1791. At night, between the August 22nd and the August 23rd, the Haitian Revolution started. The Haitian Revolution was the only success slave rebellion that took place in the world history. This revolution set forth many events that were the major factors for the abolition of slave trade. The revolution led to the foundation of a state which was free from slavery. On 1804, a new country, Haiti, was formed independent. This revolution was under the leadership of the slaves. The Haitian Revolution, which crushed the Napoleon's army and also the British and the Spanish troops. The independence of this nation formed by the Haitian Revolution marked as the beginning of the destruction of slavery system, slave trade and colonialism. The UN designated this day in 1998. If we still remember this day about slavery, which happened or which started in the 16th century, we can imagine how cruel or tragic was slavery and slave trade. Today on earth, we still have a modern type of slavery. It is called human trafficking. On this day, the United Nations encourages people all around the world to organize events based on the theme of this day. This day also reminds us that there is a need of abolishing the modern slavery also.